Hey everyone, we're out here at the Cisco Innovation Office, and I've been talking to Simon here about Edge Hub OS and the integration into Cisco devices. Can you give me some more information about what we're doing there and some use cases?
Yeah, sure. So thanks very much. And yeah, when we look at a lot of the traction we're seeing and a lot of ask out of the field is around smart spaces. So when we talk about smart spaces, we're talking about smart buildings, monitoring those, event monitoring, anything where we have people movement, environmental factors, and we want to get that information in to understand how best can we support and operate those sites. So yeah, if we look at one of the big integrations that we're seeing, it's mainly around Cisco Meraki devices, their cameras, their sensors. And then on the Cisco Spaces side, where we're collecting building management system information, bringing that all into Splunk, giving us an overview of everything. And some of the cool projects we've been working on around sporting events, etc. That's where we're placing cameras out in the field. With those cameras, we can track people, we can monitor, flow rates of people at entrances, how long people are taking at hospitality to, say, order a beer or something, and then manage that facility in real time. So we can say, we need to send some more people out here. We need to get some more kiosks going so that people can get access to their beer faster when they're at a sporting event.
Right on. And so we're taking the Edge Hub OS, putting it into these Cisco devices and sending all that data into Splunk so you can ask these questions?
Yeah, so it depends on the use case and how we're trying to implement. But for example, if we take one of these Cisco Meraki cameras, these can do edge compute, limited, but they can do visual inspection and they can count people, etc. And the great thing about this is it supports MQTT, which is a protocol that the Edge Hub does really well. So we can get that data out of this camera. So we're just getting the metrics, we're sending that through to the Edge Hub and pushing that into Splunk in real time. So that links really well with a variety of different locations. For example, a stadium or a distributed environment where we have lots and lots of cameras. They can all collect their data on the edge, forward that through to Edge Hub and get that into Splunk. So that gives us a total overview without having to, change any of the existing infrastructure on the ground. Yeah, and it goes further than that because we can take into consideration like sensors, so we can get environmental factors. So we can look at CO2, temperatures, humidities. So really making sure that, across our event or our building, that we have an environment that's really conducive to enjoying that situation, sporting event or, really efficient working.
That's really awesome. So where can I go get some more information about this innovation and how to do this with the Edge OS and the Splunk environment?
Yeah, so for more information, the best place to go is Edge Hub Central. That's where we have all of our existing partners listed and their solutions. And yeah, all the information that you would need is available on that site.
That's great. Thanks so much. Appreciate your time, Simon.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Thank you.